Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to be doing this inverted cut and fold heart, and then with all different ideas of what to put in the middle. This one I completed with rolled up magazines, so I was able to upcycle the magazines and upcycle the book. Let's get started on this fun craft. The inverted cut and fold is similar to the embossed cut and fold, except you're just going to be folding the other tabs instead. So first of all, you're going to go ahead and mark like you normally would. So in my case, I'm marking 4, 1, and 25, and I'm making an inverted heart. And the fun thing about the inverted heart is there's so many different ways to decorate it after. And that's the part I'm super excited to show you. So stay tuned to the end to find out all the different fun ways you can decorate this inverted heart. So after you've marked all throughout your whole book, then you're going to go ahead and cut like you normally would. So this pattern is very simple and it only has 2 cuts per page. Now the difference is when you go to fold, typically I fold tab 1 in to make the embossed. In this case, you're going to be folding the odds in. So go ahead. I'm going to just turn this to make it a little bit easier. Now you're going to go ahead and you're going to fold the odd tabs in. In this case, there's only 1 tab, so it'll be that middle tab. Okay, and then go ahead and go to the next page and fold that tab in. And so what this does, let me go ahead and show you, is that it's going to make the heart inverted. So typically the heart would stick out. In this case, it's inverted. So stay tuned as I finish this, and then I'm going to show you all these fun ways you can decorate the center area. Once you finish the inverted heart, the fun part is you can leave it alone and it's very, very beautiful, or you can fill this in with all different types of materials. You can be as creative as you want. So I'm just going to give you a few ideas. I found some of these really fun wood pieces at the craft store. I thought that would look really beautiful filled in. Another idea is I was thinking you could fill it in with pom-poms. All different colors or a certain color scheme, different sizes. I thought that would be another fun way to do it. Another idea I had is, since we're using and trying to upcycle paper, is making these magazine rolls, which I showed in another video, and I'll show you quickly at the very end of this video as well. And then you can take these and roll them up like this. And then you could use this to fill in the heart. So you could do anything you want. You could be as creative as you want. So if you stay tuned, I will show you how to make these rolled magazine pieces. Now to make these magazine rolls that I was showing you that you could then roll up to put into the inverted heart are very easy to make. And they're perfect because you're upcycling. So you find magazines and you take the colorful piece and put it underneath. And then you're going to go ahead and roll it up from one diagonal all the way to the other diagonal. I would use a pen or a pencil in the middle. And you're going to just roll, roll, roll. Making sure to have very even tension. That's the trick to the whole thing, is the tension. And then once you come to the end, you're going to go ahead and glue it. Your choice is either white glue, which holds just fine, or you can go ahead and use a glue gun. Totally up to you. Once you've created these, for this project you'll probably need, I would say 20 to 30, I'm not really sure, depending on the size of your heart. You're going to have these tubes. You're going to flatten it, just like so, and then you're going to roll it around, again, a pen or a pencil. I mean, if you want it a bigger hole, use something maybe like a a soda cap. And you're just going to roll, roll, roll. Try to make it nice and tight. It's a little bit tiring on your hands, so you might have to do this in a few different sessions. And then take your glue gun and glue the end. And there you go.